Hey, y'all. I'm Jen with Pleasantly Scattered. It is Monday morning, and I thought that we would do, how about a before and after the pen? So, before we do that, how are y'all this morning? I'm tired. I've got my caffeine, and it's not working yet. Anyway, if you saw my June 29th through the 5th plan with me, this is the before the pen. It was very plain, very minimal, but life happens. And let me show you what happened after the pen. I don't need the pens because I've already done it. It's early, y'all. How you feeling? What you doing? So here's the explosion of life. Am I in frame? No, I'm not. Of course not. Oh, whoa. Let's zoom out a little. Okay. Oh, how about some light? Let there be light. Okay, so some differences. I've got my trackers. I did write in some gratitude, some thankful fors, productivity, meds, flexibility, downtime, organization, common sense, which seems to be a branch that not many people hit when they fall down the tree, and time with friends. So as I went through my week, I obviously filled in a lot more than what you saw in the beginning. So let's go through my week together. Y'all, I am not awake this morning. What in the world? Okay. So I've got my to-dos. Mondays, I tend to do my store runs to feed my 2 teenage boys, which is a lot because they're both athletes and they eat everything in the house. But I did get all my errands done. We meal prepped. So I felt very productive that day. And it was so hot. Mom and Dad's anniversary, we called them. They didn't answer, so we had to call the next day. All right, moving into Tuesday. It was a full moon. I didn't feel it like I normally do, which is a-okay with me. I posted my flip through for June. Got some things done, moved some things to the next day, but still got them done. But I like to call it Tuesday tidy. I did get some of the house cleaned up, which was nice. My big kid was not feeling well. Turns out he had an upper respiratory and ear infection. He got it while he was in Europe playing ball with all the elevation changes and everything. He had fluid. Big ordeal. And that kid never gets sick. Never. But he was sick. Anyway, moving on to Wednesday. Paid some bills. Took him to the doctor that morning. We were there most of the day. Posted my mini on-the-go planner. And we decided to take a rest day, which was our first rest day of the week. It's not normal for us to take a rest day during the week, but we have been exhausted this week for some reason. I don't get it. Anyway, so we took a rest day. And I suck at remembering to turn my kids' expander. But we got stuff done. I got things off the to-do list from the previous day. Moving into Thursday. Lots of things done. I did my retro plan with me. It was so fun and so cute, y'all. Go check it out if you haven't yet. It was so fun. And we had a great workout. It was a productive day. Got lots done. And then we move into Friday and did background check for baseball. Yeah. We coach my kids' baseball team, so had to get that done. And made some notes. The kid had work, took another lazy day, and my recliner quit working. I have an electric recliner. Don't know what happened. quit working here, started working again here. I don't get it. But it whatever. It did the thing. So, yeah, Friday Friday was another rest day. I don't get it. It's, y'all, we have not taken 3 rest days in 1 week. And I don't know when. Even when we were diving in Grand Cayman on vacation, we still did all the things. Ooh, I didn't check something off. Let's check it off, y'all. He did take out the trash to the curb. Yes. Check it off. Check it. But Saturday, we decided to stay home instead of going out on the boat. The storms made the lakes all muddy and nasty and so many people out, and we had so much crap to go through, so we decided to do that instead. Cleaned out the garage, cleaned out the coat closet, went through some things. And the youngest kid got invited to a block party, so we decided to tag along. And then Sunday... Oh, so the kid closed here and opened here for July 4th. It was funny. It was a nice lesson for him to see what work life is really about. But yeah, I wrote in, dang, 3 rest days in 1 week. What happened? I don't get it. We're exhausted. And then watched the Braves game yesterday. What a 9th inning. If you didn't see that game, whoa. They still lost, but whoa. So yeah, this is my before and after. Let's take another look. I've got it pulled up over here. So there's the after. Before. Plain, boring, very minimal, and explosion. Yeah. So let me know what you had going on for the 4th. What was it like for you? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, if you made it this far, give me a like, comment, subscribe even. It's free for you. Fun for me. Have a great day, y'all.